Welcome to the Analyst story. Today, we're talking about SpaceX. SpaceX officially entered the public markets on June 12, 2026, trading on the NASDAQ under the ticker SPCX. The IPO was priced at $135 per share, raising approximately $75 billion and valuing the company at around $1.75 trillion. In 2025, SpaceX generated $18.7 billion in revenue, growing 42.7% year over year. Today, the company operates three core businesses: launch services, Starlink connectivity, and artificial intelligence through xAI. These businesses have transformed SpaceX from a launch provider into one of the world's largest technology and infrastructure companies, combining aerospace, telecommunications, and AI under a single ecosystem. SpaceX was founded in 2002 by Elon Musk, who invested approximately $122 million to pursue one goal: making space transportation more affordable. Major milestones include Falcon 1's first successful launch in 2008, the introduction of Falcon 9, reusable booster landings, Crew Dragon, and the commercial launch of Starlink. In 2026, SpaceX completed its IPO with a valuation of approximately $1.75 trillion. Over 2 decades, the company evolved from a startup into the global leader in commercial spaceflight by continuously lowering launch costs and expanding into recurring satellite connectivity services. SpaceX generates revenue from 3 major business segments. Launch services produced approximately $4.1 billion in revenue during 2025, while Starlink became the company's largest business with $11.4 billion in revenue and around 61% of total sales. The third segment, xAI, expands SpaceX into artificial intelligence following its strategic acquisition. Today, launch services provide engineering leadership, Starlink generates recurring cash flow, and xAI represents a long-term growth opportunity. This diversified structure reduces dependence on a single business while supporting future investments such as Starship. Starlink has become SpaceX's most valuable business. By Q1 2026, the network had grown to approximately 10.3 million subscribers across 164 countries, supported by a constellation of more than 9,600 satellites. In 2025, Starlink generated around $11.4 billion in revenue, up nearly 50% year over year, while adjusted EBITDA reached approximately $7.1 billion, with margins above 60%. Although average revenue per user declined to around $66, rapid subscriber growth more than offset the decrease. This shows Starlink is no longer just a growth project. It has become SpaceX's primary profit engine. SpaceX has built a business model where each division strengthens the next. Launch services generate revenue from commercial and government missions, while Starlink produces recurring subscription income from residential, enterprise, aviation, and maritime customers. Instead of distributing profits, the company reinvests billions of dollars into Starship and future technologies. In 2025, 159 of 170 launches used flight-proven boosters, significantly lowering launch costs. This creates a powerful cycle. Lower costs enable faster Starlink expansion. Starlink generates more cash flow, and that cash funds the next generation of space technology. SpaceX generated approximately $18.7 billion in revenue during 2025. Launch services contributed about $4.1 billion, while Starlink generated approximately $11.4 billion, making it the company's largest business. Although SpaceX reported a GAAP net loss of around $4.9 billion, the result was heavily impacted by nearly $3 billion invested in Starship development. Operationally, the business remained strong, with Starlink producing more than $7 billion in adjusted EBITDA. These results show that SpaceX is prioritizing long-term growth by investing today's earnings into tomorrow's opportunities. SpaceX completed its historic IPO on June 12, 2026, offering 555.6 million shares at $135 per share and raising approximately $75 billion. The company debuted with a market capitalization of around $1.75 trillion, placing it among the world's most valuable technology companies. Elon Musk owns roughly 42% of the equity, while controlling about 82% of the voting power, allowing him to maintain strategic control. Investors are valuing SpaceX not only for its launch business, but also for the long-term growth potential of Starlink, Starship, and AI. Government contracts continue to provide SpaceX with stable, long-term revenue. In 2025, the company completed 11 of 12 U.S. national security space launch missions and remained NASA's primary commercial launch partner for crew and cargo transportation. SpaceX also secured the Artemis Human Landing System contract, worth more than $2.9 billion, while Starship expanded secure satellite services for U.S. government agencies. These partnerships strengthen both the company's financial position and its technological credibility, creating barriers that are difficult for competitors to overcome. SpaceX remains the clear leader in commercial space transportation. In 2025, the company completed approximately 170 orbital launches, delivering more than 80% of the world's total mass to orbit. Competitors such as Blue Origin, Rocket Lab, United Launch Alliance, Amazon Kuiper, and OneWeb continue investing heavily, but none currently match SpaceX's launch frequency, reusable rocket technology, or integrated satellite network. Its combination of launch services, Starlink and Starship, creates a competitive ecosystem that is extremely difficult to replicate. Starship is SpaceX's most ambitious project and its largest long-term investment. The fully reusable rocket is designed to carry up to 100 metric tons to orbit, while targeting launch cost reductions of up to 99%. During 2025, SpaceX invested approximately $3 billion into Starship development, followed by nearly $930 million in the first quarter of 2026. Beyond supporting future Mars missions, Starship is expected to expand satellite deployment, lunar exploration, and commercial space transportation, making it one of the company's most important long-term growth drivers. SpaceX has built a competitive advantage that extends far beyond reusable rockets. The company designs and manufactures most of its critical technologies in-house, including Raptor engines, avionics, software, and satellites, giving it greater control over cost, quality, and innovation. In 2025, 159 of 170 launches used flight-proven boosters with a recovery success rate above 99%. Combined with Starlink direct-to-cell and its growing satellite ecosystem, SpaceX has created a business model that competitors cannot easily replicate. Wall Street remains optimistic about SpaceX's long-term outlook. Analysts maintain an overall buy rating with an average 12-month price target of $236, representing roughly 75% upside from the $135 IPO price. The bullish case is driven by Starlink's continued expansion, Starship commercialization, and future AI growth through xAI. Bearish analysts, however, highlight the company's premium valuation, heavy capital spending, and execution risks surrounding Starship. Future performance will largely depend on turning these long-term investments into sustainable earnings growth. SpaceX continues to expand at an exceptional pace. During 2025, the company completed approximately 170 orbital launches, while Starlink grew to more than 10.3 million subscribers and over 9,600 satellites in orbit. Subscriber growth reached 105% year-over-year, while Starlink revenue increased nearly 50% and adjusted EBITDA grew approximately 86%. These figures demonstrate strong operating leverage, where rapid customer growth allows a larger share of future revenue to convert into long-term profitability. SpaceX's future strategy is built around 4 major growth engines: Starship, Starlink, direct-to-cell, and artificial intelligence through xAI. The company plans to expand Starlink's global coverage, deploy next-generation satellites, and strengthen mobile connectivity through partnerships such as T-Mobile. At the same time, Starship is expected to support lunar missions, Mars exploration, and large-scale commercial launches. Together, these initiatives could significantly expand SpaceX's addressable market beyond aerospace into global telecommunications, AI infrastructure, and future space-based industries. SpaceX combines exceptional growth opportunities with meaningful investment risks. The company leads the global launch industry, while Starlink generates approximately 61% of total revenue and provides strong recurring cash flow. However, investors should also monitor continued Starship development, high research spending, regulatory approvals, and whether future earnings can justify the company's premium valuation. Over the next 12 to 24 months, Starlink subscriber growth, launch frequency, and successful Starship milestones will likely remain the key drivers of shareholder value. SpaceX has evolved from a private rocket startup into one of the world's most valuable technology companies. Its leadership in reusable launch systems, satellite communications, and next-generation space transportation has reshaped the aerospace industry. While challenges remain, the company's long-term growth will depend on the continued success of Starlink, Starship, and AI expansion. If SpaceX continues executing its strategy, it has the potential to redefine not only the future of space exploration, but also global communications and technology infrastructure. Every company has a story. We tell the numbers.